Hello, welcome to SuperBolter, world's easiest home design and renovation platform. To begin, find and select your floor plan on SuperBolter. Give your 3D home a name. Find your newly added floor plan in the My Homes page. Let's start designing your home. Click on Continue Designing. You'll now see your 3D home. To get a better look of your home, rotate the home and zoom in and out. To design a room, click on the All Rooms tab on the bottom right corner and select a room. You'll see a list of beautiful designs on the right. Select a design you like and click on Apply Design. This design gets applied to the 3D room. Now adjust the design to your space. Move products around to fit the space and delete products you don't need. Add products to the room if you want. Personalize the design till you are happy. Similarly, design other rooms in the home. Some other interesting things you can do on SuperBolter are trying wallpapers and paints. Click on a wall. Select the wallpaper or paint option. Pick one from the wide collection and apply it to your walls. Let's add some artwork on the wall. Go to the painting sections. Click on Try Product and place it anywhere in the room. Let's change the flooring in the room. Click on the floor and select the type of flooring you like. Pick an option and click on the floor to apply. It's that simple. Add some lights in your home. And here is the moment of magic. Click on the light bulb and see your home in different light modes. Now, let's take a final look of your home. Click on the walkthrough button in the bottom right corner. Use your arrow keys to navigate. Doesn't this seem like fun? Click the link in the description or go to superbolter.com and try it for yourself.